Hey everybody, it's Eric from the MMG. Thanks for visiting our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove duplicate files from your computer very easily with a free program. We're going to be using CCleaner, which is just an amazing program. I've been using it for years, and you can do this fairly easy. All you need to do is go to their website, which is CCleaner.com. CCleaner.com. I'll put a link to that in the description, and that's going to take you to where you'll find you can download it. And so there's a completely free version right here, which you can download. There's also a professional version, which you can download a free trial for. We're going to actually be using the professional version, the free trial, and we're going to actually remove all of our software, all of our duplicate files that we have on our computer. So just click that, click the download button right here, free trial. You download it up in whatever your browser downloads from right here. And you just need to execute that to install it. Once it's installed, let me show you what it looks like. Once it's installed, you're going to open it up, and it's going to look very similar to this. And so to do what we want to do, we want to go down to Tools, and there is a duplicate finder right here. And so when you click on that, pretty much default settings are going to be fine for you, but you can tweak it depending on what exactly you're trying to remove. But find whatever drive you want to scan. Like for me, I'm going to use my H drive. We're going to hit search. It's amazing how quick this is, by the way. But it searches through and gets all the duplicates. I have almost a terabyte of files on here, so for it to search that fast is pretty impressive. And then you're going to see all your files and all the duplicates. You can see I have 4 of a lot of these. You don't need that. And before, what I was doing, being mistaken, I was going like this and deleting 3 out of the 4. And that was taking forever. And so I figured there had to be a faster way, and there is, of course. So all you have to do is actually right-click. It'll pull up an option menu, and then you can actually hit select duplicates in, and you can specify. So say I know one of these folders I want to keep, and I want to delete the other ones. So I can put there, and it puts a check mark in all of those. And then you can hit delete, and it's going to get rid of those for you. It will delete all those, so you don't have to manually go through and check everyone one at a time. It speeds up the process quite a bit. All right, hopefully this video helped you. Please help me out. Make sure you give us a thumbs up and you subscribe to the channel for more great content. Have yourself a great day.